Hey, what is up guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Novo, doing a Novo business banking and checking account review. Again, taking a look at, is Novo one of the best business bank accounts for you in your small business? Taking a look at the pricing, pros and cons, and really everything you need to know when you're considering getting started with Novo for your business banking or for your business bank account. That's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. And if you do want to get signed up with Novo or follow along, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brentvalesky.com, and the link below will take you right over to Novo, where you can get signed up with Novo for free today. Again, at that first link down below in the video description, it will take you over to this page here, which is done in partnership with money.com, where we take a look at the best business checking accounts, and Novo is ranked as our #1 choice here for the best business checking accounts, and that's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video review of, again, Novo's business banking and their business checking accounts. Now, I'm always on the lookout for some of the best business checking accounts because I do create a lot of software tutorials and videos here on the channel covering different business software tools. And Novo is essentially one of those types of software tools because Novo is actually a fintech. They are not a bank. Now, their banking services are provided by Middlesex Federal Savings. That is this bank here. And they just help operate the actual bank account. But the management of your account, actually using it, is all done through the Novo platform. So they offer their, as you can see here, smarter banking for photographers, property managers, any different type of business owner that you may be, whether it be small or large or mid-size. No matter what size your operation is, you can get started with Novo today for free and get started with your checking account. Now, in terms of some more of the details of their business checking account, what's nice about the platform is they do have both a desktop version as well as a mobile app, and you can get started for free with an actual business checking account. I understand that, Chase, a lot of the other big banks out there do tend to have higher minimums for opening a business bank account. That's one of the nice perks with a company like Novo, is you don't really have those same kind of account minimums that you would on most other traditional business bank accounts, and you can actually get started. And one of the other big benefits here, before we dive into the specifics of actually getting started with Novo, is that, having a business banking account really can help you when it comes not only just tax time, also for your bookkeeping, and a lot of other parts of managing your business operations can really make managing your business a heck of a lot easier than having to sift through all of your transactions and mingling things with your personal transactions. It can be really nice to have things actually organized and separated, and especially with a free platform like this, it doesn't really have you any kind of startup costs to actually get set up with a business bank account. And then you're able to be more organized with your finances, which can help even if you're earning just a little bit in a side hustle, or if you do have a full-blown business operation. Novo can be a good option for you when you're looking at getting started with a business bank account as a beginner as well. Now, in terms of the specific Novo features, right, they do have a nice dashboard. As you can see here on screen, you can view your available balances, your reserve money, which also allows you to set up little piggy banks. So you can set up like a tax bucket. You could set up different buckets for different types of sub accounts that you would want within your main account, which is another nice perk of using this account. You can also see your money in and money out, your overall operating expenses. So the other nice thing about Novo is it kind of operates sort of like also a bookkeeping software, and it's all tied into the business bank account as well when you're doing your business checking account with Novo. And you can also set up invoices. You can also send invoices, set up automatic payment reminders, which is what a lot of you guys are looking for as well when it comes to just invoicing software. I have whole other videos on the channel going over invoicing software, whereas with Novo, it's all just in this one platform. So they do have their free checking account. You can also set up, like I said, in terms of their budgeting. So you can allocate your money to different buckets such as taxes, expenses, owner's compensation, profit, and really organize things that way. You can also see real-time insights in terms of your income, your expenses, and how everything is going inside your business. In terms of other integrations as well, if we scroll through here, in terms of other integrations with Novo, they do also integrate with a lot of other top business tools, which I talked about here on the channel, like payroll platforms such as Gusto. You could also connect with your accounting software such as QuickBooks, or if you're using an online payment platform such as PayPal, Square, or Stripe and getting paid digitally inside your business, and that's another nice perk of Novo is you can connect everything integrated to this account. As you can see here, it's for consultants, freelancers, self-employed people, small business owners. Now, in terms of some of the other features, digging into this page here, again, you can sign up for free for their business checking account, and you can also get their business debit card for free as well. So they do have like a virtual debit card, as well as a physical debit card that you can use with the account. Now, in terms of ATMs and things like that, it is free to use ATMs. They will give you a credit on your account as well, so you don't have to worry about that. And in terms of growing your business, as you can see here, for the overall processes, again, they have the automated bookkeeping, so you can stay tax ready with AI-powered expense categorization and reporting. So this comes to like payroll, COGS, which would be your cost of goods sold if you're operating an e-commerce business, or maybe if you have a business where you have expenses for the products that you need to purchase. You can also budget for business goals, so you have profit, operating expenses, taxes, owner's compensation. You can get paid through your invoices. You can create and send customizable invoices directly from your Novo account, and you can also earn rewards and build business credit with the Novo Business Credit Card. So they do also have that as an option. Again, that's sort of like an extra add-on. We're again focusing here primarily on the business checking account because that is the main product that Novo does have, but I figured I would also mention that here since they do refer to it on their sales page. Now, in terms of how Novo does compare to most other traditional banks, now I touched on that a little bit at the top of this video. Many other banks, if you look at Chase, Wells Fargo, pretty much Bank of America, most other big banks that have business accounts, they're going to have some sort of minimum balance requirement. They're going to have some sort of monthly fee, and you can waive the monthly fee if you keep at least $2,000 in deposits, or if you swipe this card or do this and that. That's a whole hassle. That's one thing that is nice about Novo. You don't have to deal with those kind of things here. You don't have any overdraft fees, no minimum balance requirements, no monthly fees. You have mobile check deposits, free ACH transfers, free invoicing and budgeting tools, lots of integrations, which I already touched on a bit as well, fraud monitoring, AI-powered bookkeeping, exclusive partner discounts, and FDIC insurance up to $250K. Again, that is through Middlesex Federal Savings, which I did also touch on as well. Now, one thing to keep in mind, one of the cons with Novo is that you don't have the ability to easily directly deposit cash into the account. So that is something to keep in mind that can be a potential drawback for you. If you do a lot of cash transactions, maybe you'd be better off looking elsewhere at other business banks, maybe in the list at the link below, or even just other traditional banks. That could be a drawback. But if you get mostly digital payments, or if your if your companies or clients are paying you through the invoices, then you shouldn't have any issues there. Again, so you can do free ACH transfers, so you can do the free invoicing, your clients can pay you. So it's really a pretty easy setup, especially if you're getting a lot of digital payments in today's day and age. But if you do use cash, that's something to consider. In terms of the other tools, again, you can also connect your Square, Stripe, Amazon accounts. You can see the cash flow, inside the one checking account. Again, this is FDIC insured up to $250K with high level encryption as well. Now, in terms of other things to consider with Novo, as well as far as the business banking, again, you can see the overall transactions. It's all online. Again, no minimum balances as well. So you're easily able to also move money between, ACH, wire transfer, deposit. You can easily set up your debit card. You also have check deposits. So again, now one thing to consider as well is domestic wire transfers are now available in beta and will be rolled out to all users soon. So that's something else to consider if you're going to be doing more wire transfer side of things. You can also get set up with a company card, which is a nice little perk there, and you can easily connect all of the other apps again here with Novo. Again, we touched on invoices, integrations, credit card, funding, reserves, and the bookkeeping. Now, one thing I would like to say as well, again, just to keep in mind with having a business bank account for your business, it can help you stay more organized, and it is a really nice platform for doing so. So I would definitely give a recommendation to check out Novo. Again, if you would like to sign up or use my affiliate link at the link in the video description, you're going to check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brandvalesky.com/best business checking. That will take you over to this page here done in partnership with money.com, where we list out as Novo as the top as our number one choice here for business banking. Again, they have no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and a virtual card for immediate and secure spending. You can set up integrations with Stripe, QuickBooks, Xero, and many other accounting software solutions that you may be already using in your bank or in your business, right, for your banking needs, right, within keeping track of your finances. You also have free transfers, mailed checks, and incoming wires. And again, like I said, the banking services are provided by Middlesex Federal Savings, and you can create up to 20 different Novo Reserve accounts. Those are the organizational sort of like sub accounts that you can create, basically like buckets for organizing your business finances. Again, can be a really good step for being more organized, with your finances inside your small business. So I definitely recommend checking out Novo. Again, if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button. I hope you guys have found this video useful as well on taking a look at a quick overview of the Novo Business Banking account, their checking account, and what they have to offer. I really do think it is a good option for many of you guys watching today's video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.